Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Notes of Tarjamat-ul-Quran Class 10th. Surah Al-Anam, most important short question and MCQ of the surah. In this video we have most important question, short questions as well as MCQs of Surah Al-Anam to be prepared. We have tried our level best to deduct all the expected short question and MCQs from the lesson, and we hope that in the examination you would see the same question from this selection. So please keep watching the question one by one. This video is also available in Urdu, and these notes we have prepared for English medium students of class 10th Federal Board and Punjab Board. Mentioned in the name of the surah, the main theme of the surah, Tawheed and prophethood. I am not going to just read each and every question because it will take a lot of time, and ultimately the video will be very lengthy, so better you keep reading it and preparing it. Only just reading some most important answers. Each and every question I am not going to read. Evidence Surah Al-Anam provide Allah's power attributes, truth and divine revelation, teach about hereafter. Question number 13. What mushrikeen they called the prophets magicians, demand the descent of angels should become. Allah Almighty created everything from clay. Allah Almighty knows each and everything. Question number 19. That is the key of all the unseens, Allah Almighty. Example given to show Allah's complete knowledge. Falling of the leaves, Hazrat Ibrahim. Worship of Allah, Tawheed. The Holy Prophet instructed to follow the revelation. Disbeliever, even angels. Question number 25. Who has the authority of declared halal and haram? Allah has the authority. What is the treatment or command of the regarding parents? They must be treated very kindly and respectfully. Children should not be killed because of sustenance, with kindness and justice, following Allah's commands. Now we have the most important MCQs. We are going to say it, MCQs. जो 7th Makki Surah 165. Dear students, I am not going to read each and every question because it will take a lot of time and the video will be very lengthy. So you can see only the most important answers. They are ticked over there clearly and prominently. You can see it one by one. Second number 4, 165. Total ruku in Surah are 120. The word Al-Anam means cattle. The main theme of the surah, Tawheed, oneness of Allah. Evidence regarding oneness of Allah. Allah has created the human being from clay. who created heaven and earth. Allah has created each and everything. He is the greatest creator, Allah Al-Khaliq. Question number 11, 12. Who possesses the keys of the unseen? Alright, Allah Almighty. Definitely. Allah's knowledge includes land and sea, each and everything. Even a falling of the leaf, Allah knows. Which prophet is mentioned in the argument of the Tawheed? Hazrat Ibrahim al-Islam. Monotheism, Tawheed, oneness of Allah. The Holy Prophet was commanded to follow the divine revelation. Authority to declare halal and haram belong to Allah Almighty. Pork is forbidden and not allowed in Islam. Blood is haram over here. Question number 22 we have, that is haram without the name of Allah if it is slaughtered. Verse number 151-153 is about the shirk. Question number 24 we have, parents should be treated with kindness. Question number 25, poverty. Believers are forbidden from approaching the indecency, fahashi. 27, 28. Straight path. Dear students, these are the notes of Tarjamat-ul-Quran Class 10th, Federal Board and Punjab Board. Most important question in the notes, short question and MCQs, very important. They have been taken from the introduction of the surah. They are very important for the examination purpose. You go through them, and it is a hope that in the examination the question will be asked from them. Almost all the questions we have taken from the introduction of the surah, all expected question. Assalamu-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Other videos inshallah would be uploaded very soon on the same channel. You can watch over there. Assalamu-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.